Hello, my name is Silas Pelkey, and I am one of the co-presidents of NMU Club ASL. The primary focus of NMU Club ASL is to educate others about American Sign Language and the aspects of deaf culture through many different activities. Some of these activities include movie nights that include deaf actors or deaf topics, bake sales, and signing the national anthem during hockey games, which is a lot of fun. In the upcoming semester, we hope to expand our club activities to also include study sessions for American Sign Language students, volunteering within the Marquette community, and teaming up with the Best Buddies student organization at NMU during Inclusion Week. People of all skill levels are welcome. You do not need to know any specific amount of American Sign Language to join, so non-ASL students are welcome to join as well. We hope to grow more in the upcoming semester, and to do that we need more different people to bring unique ideas to spread awareness of deaf culture. And we can't wait to see what the upcoming semester has in store for us. So if you're interested, I encourage you to check us out.